Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also insert picture files into your OneNote pages. To do so, first navigate to the page into which you wish to insert an image. We'll go ahead and insert an image of Microsoft Access 2013 right onto this page underneath the description of the Microsoft Access software. So we'll drop our cursor right there where it is. Next, click the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then select the Pictures button in the Images group. And that will launch the Insert Picture dialog box that we see here. From here, you navigate to the location of the image on your computer that you want to insert. And just like with any other files, you can navigate to the particular location. It might be on your C drive, it might be on a network location. Find that particular file, and then you can click to select it. Now note that just to the right of the file name text box down here, we have a drop down. And that drop down menu allows you to filter the types of files that are displayed in the window. So if you're looking in a particular location and there's quite a bit of files to search through, you can narrow your search by selecting one of these instead. The default is all pictures, of course. Now we just click again to select the image that we want to insert, and then all we need to do is click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box, and our image is inserted. Once the picture is inserted, you can move it anywhere on the page that you wish. You just click the image to select it, and then a dotted line will appear around the image with resizing handles on the corners and at the midpoints of the sides. As you move your mouse pointer over an edge or where you're not on a resizing handle, or when you're not in the center of the image, you'll see the cursor turn into a four-sided arrow. You can then click and drag on the four-sided arrow to move the image around on the page. And then you can just release when it's in the spot that you want. You can also use the resizing handles to change the size of the image displayed on the page. Now keep in mind that if you click and drag one of the corner handles, you can adjust the size and keep the proportions of the image in place. So you'll be adjusting both the height and the width simultaneously. Let's take a look at this. For example, with this image, now that we have it selected, if I just hover over one of these resizing handles here, either at the top or the bottom or the side here, and I click and drag, you'll see that it's going to distort my image. That's not what we want, so we'll undo that. Instead, we'll use one of the corner handles, and then we'll just click and drag into the middle, and you'll see then that it adjusts the size and keeps it in proportion. Now to delete the selected image, you can just make sure it's selected. So if it's not selected like that, give it a click, and then all you need to do is click delete on your keyboard. I'm going to undo that because the other thing you can do is right click and then choose cut as well. Now OneNote 2013 added the ability to insert an online picture into a notebook directly from Flickr and other online services without having to save the picture first to your computer. To do so, click or tap the Insert tab in the ribbon again, and then this time click or tap the Online Pictures button in the Images group. Now in the Insert Pictures dialog box that appears, you can search for a clip art image from Microsoft by entering keywords matching what you're looking for in the search text box and then clicking search. Maybe we just want to type in the word software, for example, and we'll click search, and you'll see the different royalty-free clip art that's come up, and we could insert one of those by clicking to select it. But let's go back to sites. We'll give that a click, and we'll see that we have some other choices, because you can also search through Bing, the search engine, and find images on the web. You can also search on your SkyDrive account. We have ours here. We're going to look at SkyDrive a little later in the course. But you can also search for an image to insert from Flickr, and that's what this button is in the bottom left-hand corner. And so if I click that, I'll get a new dialog box where it's asking me to sign in, and it will tell me you can sign in with your Outlook account you have created, but you'd have to connect to Flickr, have your account there, and then you can insert the pictures directly from that service. Once again, if we want to do clip art, we'll type in software and search and select an image and then click insert. And that will insert our clip art that we just chose there. So that's how you add pictures to your pages from your different sources.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.